got more volleyball for you this time in the UAAP as the DLSU Green Spikers get one over their longtime rivals, the Ateneo Blue Eagles, and their first matchup of season 87. The Green Spikers bucked a first set defeat to rally past the Blue Eagles in eventually 4 sets. 20-25, 25-23, 25-21, and 25-22. Noel Campton erupted for 27 points on 23 attacks, 3 blocks, and a service ace. He also had 6 excellent receptions and 5 excellent digs. As for the NU Bulldogs, well, they rallied from 2 sets now to complete a reverse sweep against the Adamson Soaring Falcons. Final score, 20-25, 17-25, 25-18, 25-19, and 15-12. Setter Jeff Gallego delivered a breakout performance with 22 excellent sets and 4 points, including 3 blocks in just 4 sets of action. Boots Budin once again leading the Bulldogs in scoring with 22 points, while Jade Disputado provided a huge boost off the bench with 15 markers.
As galing po sa high school, wala po talagang parang sistema po sa setting talaga sa high school. Kaya pagpasok ko parang nahihirapan na po ako. Then, nung after mga ilang months po, parang yun, nagamay ko na. Then, everyday po kasi pinaghihirapan namin na extra po kami. Then, yun, sasabi ni ko siya sa amin na kung ano yung ginagawa niyo, dapat lagyan niyo ng effort. Kasi hindi niyo makukuha kagad yan kung hindi niyo paglalagay ng effort. Kaya ito nakuha namin ng ibang season. Yan nga po sa past few games namin na hindi po ako nagagamit. And hindi nga po pang-subsat na po. Ginagawa ko palagi, ready po ako palagi sa games kasi alam ko pong gagamitin po ako. And nasa mindset ko po na kailangan pag ginamit ako, gagawin ko yung best ko and 100% na makakaya ko sa team.
Moving on to women's division, make it 6-0 for the NU Lady Bulldogs. The Lady Bulldogs extended their perfect run after sweeping the Adamson Lady Falcons 25-21, 25-23, and 25-18. Alyssa Solomon led the defending champs with a powerful 22-point performance, delivering 15 attacks, 4 blocks, and 3 aces. NU is now just 1 win away from sweeping the first round. They will next face the UST Golden Tigresses this weekend in a rematch of last year's finals. And lastly, the DLSU Lady Spikers snatched their 3rd straight win after firing past their longtime rivals, the Ateneo Blue Eagles, in 4 sets. Final score, 25-15, 25-14, 20-25, and 25-19. Ateneo tried to hold its own despite Sobe Buena's absence. Buena's already been ruled out of the season due to an ACL injury, further depleting the Blue Eagles lineup. Shivana Laput led the LaSalle with a career-high 25 points. The Lady Spikers have now won 15 straight matches against the Blue Eagles in the UAP dating back to 2017.
Actually, hindi ko tinitingnan yun sa ngayon dahil ang importante sa amin ay makakuha ng panalo kasi malayo na masyado yung 1 and 2 eh. So, yun. Huwag lang kami yung paiwan and then sana ay pilit namin may habol hanggang sa mag 1, 2, 3, 4 kuha namin yung top 4 and then doon na lang siguro, yun muna yung goal namin. Kahit sino pa yung kalaban namin, Atenean o ibang team. So, kailangan talaga paghandaan kasi nandun na lahat eh. Wala ka nang pipiliing kalaban kasi lahat sila competitive. Sa ngayon kasi parang hindi ko nakikita yun kasi sa ngayon yung Ateneo parang walang player, parang walang go-to guy. Yun yung nakikita ko. Kasi that time si Alyssa, bigyan mo lang lahat kay Alyssa eh. And bumuhay na ni Alyssa. Ngayon parang walang Alyssa sa Ateneo. So, or even lang yung team ng Ateneo. Kaya distributed lahat yung bola. Kaya hindi mo masasabi na hindi mo pwedeng baliwalain. Kasi distributed yung bola na.